apart from the fact that the song ADONAI by Pastor Nathaniel Bassey is a powerful worship song, very captivating and soul lifting, you also talk about the instrumentals. They are so well put together, especially the part where you have Nathaniel Bassey play the trumpet in the interlude, very jazzy and captivating. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play the trumpet part on your keyboard, and in the subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to play the piano to back it up. So let's go there. So that's it. I encourage you to rehearse and enjoy the music. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.